Hi guys, today we're going to actually take you through some of the tools that we use to assemble all of our carts, as well as some of the bolts and some of the screws. So first of all, we're going to talk about our M6 screws that we have here. We actually have two different types. We have the countersunk and then the regular M6 screws. And these come in a variety of lengths as well, and these are used in a lot of the attachments and creating the different joints in our carts. Next, we actually have the bolts. So we actually have two different types of bolts as well. We have the low head and then the regular head, or hex head that some people may actually refer to this as. And you have a variety of lengths on these as well. Then obviously you come with the nut, which comes with the bolts. This funny little contraption here is a tube connector. So you would actually place this within one of the tubes. And once you place it in the tube, you can actually screw and connect the beam to the flex tube using this little thing here. You do have to hammer this down a little bit because it's a little bit outside, but that's just to make sure that the flex tube and the flex beam are connected securely. Now we have collets, and this is to make sure that if you're placing two flex beams together, you don't actually have them overlap, but it keeps it balanced out and keeps the beams from actually damaging each other and overlapping. Now, these are the tools that we generally use, and this is pretty much all you need to build or assemble a FlexQube cart. So the first one we have the Torx head, and this is used for all of the M6 bolts. And you just as so normal drill or a driver with the Torx head there. Then on this one here, we have the hex head, and this is actually for all of the bolts. And then you would use this end here to actually hold onto the nut as you are drilling or driving the bolt in. Now, this is a pretty quick summary of what you need, but effectively, these are all the tools that you need to build a FlexQube cart. And this is a general summary of the screws, the bolts that we would actually be using to assemble all of our standard building blocks together. And once again, I would like to emphasize that these all come in different lengths as well. So depending on the length and the type of cut that you're building. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and make sure you stay tuned for the next assembly training video.